going up forever, Laura. Bitcoin is a multinational network. Bitcoin is sound money coming through the Tor network. You don't even know where they are. Geopolitical disputes are settled in Bitcoin, but they're settled without war. You're speaking like a crypto trader right now. It's going up forever, Laura. Satoshi's model. Some miners you can't locate, they're off the grid. Technically superior asset class. War, that's the real expense of the fiat system. We needed to move the money faster at a higher velocity. It's going up forever, Laura.